My robotic bug is working. Now I'll know every plan those Earth kids are planning as they plan it. Keep it down. I can't hear. Oh, yes, you do. I knew it. A secret meeting about me. Looks like my little bug buddy is going to Camptopia. Go where? Just go. If you see I'm busy. Oh, don't free my bug. Bring it back. Bring it back. Bring it. How am I supposed to learn their secret plans now? Wait. Actually, I'd like to go on vacation after all. But not to the beach. Camptopia. Finally, we're here. No, that bed is mine. You can sleep there. Think of it this way. It's all part of the camping experience. Out for a walk. Time to find those tiresome toddlers and learn exactly what they're up to. What was that? Maybe it's the Earth Kids. A blast! Go back to sleep. No. How long have you been up? No. I have other activities planned for myself today. I'll find those measly mollets if it's the last thing I do. Yes. They must be discussing their secret plan. I need to get closer. This is ridiculous. How hard can it be to find 3 Earth Kids and a Cybird? I know they're here making secret plans about me. What now? Oh. Remember, you are the hacker. You will not be deterred by a few bumps, bruises, and mean-spirited mosquitoes. What's going on out there? What are you two doing? I don't see anything. I see one. It looks just like me. Look at that glorious chin. I'll call it the hacker. I knew I'd find them. Can't hear what they're saying. Getting closer. Almost there. Uh-oh. This has been the worst spy mission ever. Speak for yourself. Move out.